We're going to talk about how to clean the glass on the front of a fireplace. We'll talk about best methods and maybe the products that you should use to clean your glass. First thing you need to do obviously is take off the decorative front, which covers the glass, and then the next step is to take off the glass of the fireplace. So that's what we'll do next. So to remove the glass in the front of a fireplace, you have to find the legs of the glass clip. This piece of glass, because of the size, has four. There's one here, there's one here, on the bottom, one here, and one here. Those legs attach to the clips that hold the glass in place. To remove a clip, just get your fingers behind it, pull forward, and release it from the tab that holds it in. And then lean the glass forward and lift it up. Now your glass is off. Set the glass down. Make sure the gasketing is facing upward because there is black carbon in the gasketing, and if you lay that against your floor or furnishings, you can get a black stripe on things that'll be difficult to remove. So what to use to clean your glass? I'm a fan of paper towels, and I use vinegar and water solution, about a 50-50 mix. Your dealer may have something that they recommend or a product that they recommend and offer for sale, all well and good. Just don't use anything with ammonia in it, because ammonia will leave a white film on the glass that you'll never get off. So don't use anything with ammonia in the cleaner. So with the glass laying gasket side up, you're cleaning the inside of the glass. You don't want to get any of the cleaner on the gasketing because it just can cause it to deteriorate prematurely. I like to spray my cleaner on the rag that I'm using and then wipe it on the glass, and that way I'm assured I'm not going to get anything on the gasketing. And depending on how dirty the glass will determine how many paper towels you go through. When cleaning the outside of the glass, you can just stand it upright because you don't have to worry about the gasketing. And I use paper towel on the inside because it tends to be a lot dirtier, and you can just throw them away, but on the outside you can just use a soft rag. That'll clean everything up nicely. It's important to remember that white spots or white film on a glass of a fireplace is a common occurrence of burning gas. So that's what needs to be cleaned off. If you see a black film, what we refer to as soot, on your glass of a fireplace or even on the inside of the firebox, that means something needs attention. So you should call your dealer, have them out there and take a peek and make sure everything is safe. It is a great idea to have your dealer out to service your fireplace once a year or at least every other year to make sure everything is functioning as it should when you need it to.